Hey everyone, it's me Alex and welcome to a brand new video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to connect a Bluetooth speaker to your Samsung Smart TV to have it play your movies, YouTube videos, TV shows, and stuff like that all to your Bluetooth speaker. So instead of using your built-in TV speakers, all audio will be passed on to here and then will automatically be passed back to your TV speakers once you turn off the speaker. So in this video, I'm using a Bose SoundLink Mini 2. But of course, this does not matter which speaker brand you use or anything. You just need a Bluetooth speaker that has Bluetooth to connect to your TV. So the first thing you'll want to do is turn on your Bluetooth speaker. So we're going to go ahead and turn it on.
Battery 20%. Connected to Alex's iPhone 13 Pro Max.
So as you can see, you heard that my Bluetooth speaker is already connected to a phone. So that does not work because the speaker needs to be in discoverable mode for it to show up on the TV as a Bluetooth speaker. So for example, as you can see, the Bose speaker has a button here for Bluetooth. We're going to hold that down and the speaker will also confirm saying that is waiting to be paired. So we're going to go ahead and do that. I'm going to go hold down this Bluetooth button.
Ready to pair another device.
And as you can see, the light is now blue, which is perfect. So now we just need to do everything here on the TV. I'm going to go ahead and leave the speaker down here. So I went ahead and placed the speaker down there, which is great. The speaker is already in discoverable mode, meaning it's waiting for a device to connect to it. And I've also placed a microphone down there to hear any voice prompts, the speaker says. And then just to confirm to make sure it's working like it right now that it's playing out of my TV speakers, I'm going to press on play on my video. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and unmute the TV. How to turn any TV into a digital menu board. So you might have seen a video I did a while back. And to confirm, as you can see, it also says TV speaker on the left. So from here, we're going to go ahead and press on the settings gear or settings button on your TV, on your Samsung TV remote. So we're going to press on that. And then we're going to go ahead and select up to go to settings. So we're going to press on up, Bluetooth speaker list, and we're going to select on that. And it's going to show any Bluetooth speakers waiting to be paired. So as you can see, it says searching. And there it is. As you can see, Bose SoundLink Mini 2 needs pairing. So to pair, we're going to go ahead and press the select button and pair and connect. And right now the speaker will say a confirmation. That's why I put a microphone down there. So I'm going to go ahead and press on pair and select.
Connected to Samsung AU800050 TV and Alex's iPhone 13 Pro Max.
The orientation of the TV. So I've gone back to and closed the video just so we can hear myself talking. You heard the speaker say it's connected to the Samsung AU8050 TV. That's why it said AU8000 TV. And then as you can see, it says Bose SoundLink Mini 2 connected. So from here, we're just going to go down and press on close. And to get out of here, as you can see, the Bluetooth already says Bluetooth or Bose SoundLink Mini 2. All you do is click on back. And now all audio, if we press on volume up, says Bose SoundLink Mini 2, and it's adjusting the speaker. So I'm going to go ahead and grab the speaker again just to show you that it's changing the volume. So I have the speaker here. This Bluetooth light flashes to confirm it's changing volume if it focuses. And then I'm going to press on volume up on the TV remote. As you can see, it says Bose SoundLink Mini 2. So I'm going to go ahead and play my video again. And now all the video audio is playing right here. I'm going to put the speaker on the microphone into a digital menu board. So you might have seen a video I did a while back showing you how to turn any TV into a digital menu board. So as you can see, it's all playing here on the Bose SoundLink Mini 2 now. Let's just say I'm done watching my movie, TV show I wanted to do here on my Bose SoundLink Mini 2. All you need to do is turn off the Bluetooth speaker. So I'm going to go ahead and turn off the Bluetooth speaker right here. I'm just going to go ahead and hit the power off button. Right here, you're going to see the Bluetooth light turn off. Perfect. And as you can see, the TV is back to flashing the mute because I left it on mute before I connected my Bluetooth speaker. So now if I press on volume up, it says TV speaker, and you can hear it right here on the TV speaker. So I'm going to go ahead and fast forward. And here is the audio now from the TV speakers. I have an older MacBook, or if you have a Windows, you can just plug this in. And there we go. All the audio now is being passed to your original output device. It could be a soundbar, receiver, or just TV speakers. So for example, I was using TV speakers, so by default, it's back to TV speaker. Now let's just say it's the next day, you want to reconnect to your Bluetooth speaker. Again, you follow those steps. We go up to settings, and we're going to look for our Bluetooth speaker list. And we're going to go ahead and look for our Bose, and we're going to press on connect. Although usually some speakers, once it's already paired and it's in range, they might automatically repair to the TV. I might do that right now. Let's go ahead and press on the power button.
Battery 20%.
Oh no, as you can see, the TV is asking you if you would like to connect. So we're going to go ahead and grab our TV remote and press on connect.
Connected to Samsung AU800050 TV.
And there we go. All audio will be played back to the Bose SoundLink Mini 2. Hey everyone, it's me, Alex, and welcome to a brand new video. And if you missed that confirmation screen on the top, we just go ahead and press on the settings gear that I just did, Bluetooth speaker list, and press on Bose and connect, of course, because it's connected right now. Actually, I'll press on disconnect.
Samsung AU800050 TV disconnected. Ready to pair.
So then from here again, let's just say it's in pairing mode. Go down, press on Bose SoundLink Mini 2, and connect.
Connected to Samsung AU800050 TV.
And there it goes. You can see all sound effects and everything is being played on the Bose SoundLink Mini 2. So this is actually a really cool feature if you, for example, have a good sounding Bluetooth speaker, but don't have a soundbar or receiver at home. So that's pretty much it. That's how to connect a Bluetooth speaker to your Samsung Smart TV via Bluetooth. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please hit a thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on the bell so you can get notified every time I post a new video. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section below. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys next time in my next video. Bye!